Hi, I'm Melanie Simon, President of the Passionflower Chapter of the Florida Native Plant Society. We proudly serve the community in and around South Lake County, just west of Orlando. Our chapter was formed in 2016, making us one of the youngest FNPS chapters. Here are the highlights of our activities and accomplishments. As a chapter, we proudly maintain a native plant garden at Lake Louisa State Park Ranger Station. If you're in the area, be sure to stop by and see the beautiful butterfly and habitat gardens. We regularly host educational programs, both in person and virtual. Topics we have covered include native habitats and the wildlife that depends on them, invasive plants, edible plants, and how to select native wildflowers, shrubs, and trees for our Florida yards. We plan several field trips each year for our members. We have an upcoming program and field trip to the Green Swamp, an area of critical concern in Lake County. With Lake County being the third fastest growing county in Florida and projected development continuing to increase, we have performed many native plant rescues from development sites and successfully transplanted them to new homes. Local outreach events such as the Claremont Garden Club Spring Festival, Oakland Heritage Festival, and Lake Louisa State Park Nature Fest give us the opportunity to introduce new people to native plants, sustainable landscaping practices, and the FNPS organization. We are fortunate to have Green Isle Gardens Native Nursery in our chapter's local area, and as a bonus, our members receive a 10% discount. In 2019, we collaborated with our sister chapter, Lake Beautyberry, to host the first ever Lake County Wildfire Festival at Green Isle Gardens, and it was a great success. We are planning another festival for later this year. By joining the Passionflower Chapter of the Florida Native Plant Society, you help us further our goal of educating the community in our growing area about natural Florida, sustainable landscaping practices, and the beauty of native plants. If you're in our chapter's area and not already a member, please join us. We'd love to have you. You can learn more about the Passionflower Chapter, including how to join, at our website at www.passionflower.fnpschapters.org.